is looking at the expected delivery date. So every customer kind of sits in a particular postcode. They need to know exactly where, kind of when the parcel is going to get delivered. So you probably don't get away with very broad ranges or like the same expected delivery date for everyone in the country, whether you're like in the capital city center, or whether you're on the kind of somewhere in the countryside. So, and you need to have it ready at the checkout at the time when the customer and the AI decides on it. The second thing is there's a trade-off. Speaking to a lot of customers, say, oh yeah, we have a 98% accuracy on our EDD. Great, that's easy if you add like a buffer of 1 or 2 days. And that's what a lot of merchants doing. If you get to the age of AI commerce, you can't afford to do that anymore. So you have to balance what's the accuracy we can achieve without kind of adding too much buffer in it. And I think this is a kind of a very big mindset shift, and also taking out this uncertainty of a big range, because consumers will decide on certainty. If you tell them it's delivered on Thursday and they can trust it, they will most likely to go with you. The third one is continuous refinement, because you're not going to get it right 100%. So you want to make sure that they have a great experience throughout by you constantly refining this. And lastly, I think this is kind of a bit of jargon. I think there will be a lot of AI crawling your page. So the easier you make it, because with EDD you need to be interactive. The AI needs to tell you what postcode they're in, if they want the delivery. So you need to make this process as easy as possible. There are emergent technologies like MCP, and you need to get it to them with low latency, because those tools can't handle kind of waiting forever for this. So I think that's what we're focusing on, to make sure that we can get our customers ready to master the checkout EDDs and get us ready for the most effective way for AI commerce.